Hello friends, in this video we will see another problem based on the cube. So the problem is you are given an n by n by n cube. So that means the length, breadth and height of the cube is n. So all of the faces of the cube are painted and then cut up into one by one cubes. You will take all the small cubes, put them in a container, shake it up, and then randomly draw out of the draw out one of the cubes, and then roll it like a die. Roll it like a die. So what is the probability? What is the probability that the top face of the cube would be painted? Be painted. So it is given that a big cube is given whose length, width and breadth is n, and then we have to cut into that big cube into a small cubes of length, breadth and height is 1 So then you take all those small cubes and put them in a container, and you have to remember that the big cube all faces are painted, and then shake it up, and then randomly you have selected one cube from the container, and then you roll it like a die. So then we have to find what is the probability of the top face of the cube would be painted, and this probability of top face painted is given by given by this formula. So the number of faces of all small cubes, all small cubes. So this one is the total number of the faces which are related to the small cube. So that means actually we have to find the total number of small cubes first, and then we have to find the total number of faces of those small cubes. So total number of, I mean the faces of all small cubes, and then the probability here we have to find which is a painted. So that means we have to find the number of faces of all small cubes painted, all small cubes painted. So this one consists of painted plus non-painted, and this one consists of the only painted faces of the small cubes. So to first we will find this one, right? So the total number of faces of small cubes painted. So for that we need to find the number of small cubes. So the number of small cubes is given by the length of the big cube by the length of the small cube to the power of 3. So this one will give the number of small cubes. So if you do not understand this, please watch all my previous videos of the cubes. Okay, so this is going to be n cube. So this one will give the total number of the small cubes. So we know that each cube consists of the 6 faces. So we know that each cube consists of 6 faces. So n cube small cubes are going to be consist of 6 n cube faces. 6 n cube faces. So this one will give the actually the total number of small cubes, and 6 n cube will give the total number of faces of a small cube. So that means we got the value for this one. Okay, so that means this is going to be equal to by 6 n cube by 6 n cube. Okay, and then we have to find the number of faces of the small cubes painted. So in the previous videos I told n minus 2 whole to the power of square into the number of faces of a cube, that is going to be 6, will give the total number of cubes which are painted one side. Okay, which are painted one side. And then I told that n minus 2 into the number of edges, the number of edges of a cube is 12, will give the total number of cubes which are painted two sides. Okay, and then the total number of cubes which are three sides are going to be equal to the number of corners of the cube, so that is going to be 8. Okay, so this one will give the total number of cubes which are painted one side. Okay, so the number of painted which are going to be given by n square into 6 into 1. Why? Because this one will give the total number of cubes which are painted one side. So one side is painted, that's why I am multiplying this one with 1. And then this one will give the total number of the cubes which are actually painted two sides. So then I am going to be multiply this one with 2 to get all the faces which are painted. So 8 will give the total number of cubes which are painted three sides. So I am going to be multiply this one with 3 to get the total number of faces painted. So this is going to be equal to n square. First we a minus b whole square formula. So n square into 6, we will get 6n square, and then b square. So that is 2 square, that is going to be 4, and 4 into 6 plus 24 we will get, and then minus 2ab. So that is going to be minus 4n into 6 minus 24n. Okay, here we will get this one, and this one we expand 12 to 24, 24 into n, then we will get 24n. So 24 into 2, here minus is that, so minus 48 we will get, and here so 18 to 3 is 24 we will get. So this one actually this one will give the total number of faces painted which are related to the cubes which are painted one side. So this one will give the total number of faces which are painted related to the total number of cubes which are painted two sides, and this one will give the total number of faces painted which are related to the three sides painted cubes. Okay, so to get all the sides painted, so we need to add this value and this value and this value. Okay, so when we add all these three, here if you see, here we have minus 24n, here we have 24n, these two are cancelled. So here we have plus 24, and here also we have plus 24, and we have minus 48. So let's cancel 24, 24 and this 48. So we left with 6n square. So that means the total number of faces, okay, which are painted is 6n square, and the total number of faces related to the small cubes is 6n cube, and the total number of faces painted is 6n square. So here we will get 6n square. So 6 is cancelled, and n square by n cube. So n square is cancelled and this cube is cancelled. So we will left with 1 by n. So we left with 1 by n. This is going to be equal to 1 by n. Okay, so this is going to be equal to 1 by n. So that means that 1 by n, we'll write here clearly, that is going to be 6n square by 6n cube, and 6 is cancelled. So this n square is going to be cancelled with this one, so we will left with 1 by n. So this 1 by n will give the actually the probability of the top face of the cube is painted. Okay, so I hope you got this one. So thank you very much for watching this video. So if you have any doubt, so please leave a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. So thank you.